What is good, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, sneakers, and anything creative. Today we are taking a look at the brand new refresh 2018 MacBook Pro. Now these are some beast laptops. I mean, these are portable monsters, you guys. Apple has done it this time. They have finally listened to the pro consumer. They have finally reached down to the bottom and lifted us up, you guys. I'm super excited about these. Now I know there's a lot of reservation, especially with the butterfly keyboard issues, but it has just been released by iFixit that Apple has done something to reinforce and help these keyboards reflect the dust. There's like a membrane silicone thing under these keys, and that is going to help us. We shall see. But in due time, until then, I will be testing this thing out. This is a clean space gray machine. And when it comes to look, you know, Apple never really disappoints in the look department. The look of this thing is sleek, smooth, clean, as usual. It's a nice thin build in comparison to the Retina MacBook Pro that I had before. And look at the size of that trackpad. Whew. Now, I will say this. I don't know why they have removed MagSafe, and I know this has already been talked about, but MagSafe is a safety net. I have seen it save my MacBook Pro Retina so many times. And now we are in the year of the touch bar. Now I see, and I think I understand Apple's point of view and reasoning for putting this there. They're trying to give you an iOS type of feel, like the way this thing interacts when you're typing. It's kind of like auto suggest when you're texting, but it's not as intuitive. Like I find myself looking at the touch bar as opposed to what I'm typing. Now this trackpad though, this nice big beefy size trackpad, I'm in love with this. I love it. Now keep in mind, I'm coming from the MacBook Pro Retina. I'm talking mid 2014, so I have yet to get on these new model design MacBook Pros. So this is my first time being introduced to that, which is the reason why I'm pointing out these little things that you may already know about. But hey, bear with me. Now the first thing I had to do to my trackpad, which I always do, is I enable tap to click. I do this on every Mac laptop that I have ever owned since it's been available. Now, if you want to see the specs on the bad boy, there you go. We got the 15-inch 2018 2.9 gigahertz Intel Core i9, which has 6 cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it's showing the Intel UHD graphics, but that's just the internal one. The Radeon 560X is in there as well, and it is used when it is needed. I'm assuming with the way that Apple has set this up. I don't know if there's a way to reconfigure and turn that one on always. I'll look into that. Sorry for this boring stock background wallpaper, but we'll leave it there for now. Now, here's a little side-by-side comparison to the MacBook Pro Retina that I had before. And if you look at my MacBook Pro Retina, you may think, hey, that thing looks perfect. But look right here on the side. As you can see, the 2018, the 2 is blocked off because there's about an inch and a half of my screen that is blacked out from top to bottom on the left side. I know, heartbreaking, literally heartbreaking. This device was dropped, I'm assuming, on the side of his monitor, and I've never gotten the usability of that side back. I am heartbroken still because this machine has been kept in like a flawless, great condition. You can see it has the old style keyboard, the keyboard that won't fail on you, the keyboard that has a nicer feeling. I'll admit that. I use a K60 Corsair Lux mechanical keyboard. I like the feel of actual mechanical, loud, tactile keys, and that's what I prefer, even as opposed to this new one, this butterfly keyboard or whatever. But I use external keyboards, so that shouldn't be too big of an issue. And as you can see right there, your boy is showing up number 4 on the MacBook Pro 2018 search on YouTube out of 17.7 million results. Yeah, TubeBuddy.com/CJKnowsTECH. Get to know TubeBuddy and you can rank too. SEO is important. And get the favor of the algorithm. Now, in comparison to these two, I could do a head-to-head between this brand new one and my Retina, but it's obvious that this new one is gonna blow smoke up the Retinas. It's gonna leave it in the dust, so I don't think that comparison makes sense, but I am definitely going to compare it to my custom PC, which I built to be a 4K workhorse a couple years back. but it's starting to get a little dated. So we're gonna see with these new processors inside of these MacBook Pro models that we have gotten, we're gonna see how they perform against my custom PC. And also I'm going to be doing a desk revive. I need to revive my desk. Right now I just got it sitting off left where I used to have my MacBook Pro Retina, but I want to revive that. I want to add a new vibe and a new flavor to my desk overall. I want to minimize and declutter it. So that's going to be a part of my project too, and me getting this thing and setting it up. I need to set it up to be the workhorse of my system now. And this is fully Thunderbolt 3 / USB-C, you know what I'm saying? So with those ports being the only ports, I gotta figure out options to make what I used to do work. Now, I did get the eGPU that Apple collab with Blackmagic to make, so that's gonna offer a hub in that and more graphics power coming soon. That'll be unboxed tomorrow. But right now I need to get to IKEA, get some more Alex drawers. You know the routine when it comes to doing a tech YouTuber setup. My name is CJ, this is CJKnowsTECH. And I love to talk tech, sneakers, and anything creative. Smash that like button, smash that sub. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace. Come back for more MacBook Pro 2018 videos.